Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kavita Shetty. If you are watching video of our channel for the first time, then please do subscribe our channel. The solutions of sample question bank from University for course 202 is already been uploaded. So please go check in the description box for the video link for course 202. In this video, we are going to discuss the solution of course 201, which is Quality and Management of School Education. I have tried my best to find the correct answers of these questions as university has not provided any answer to these 20 questions. So let us start with the questions, and if you have any difference of opinions in the solutions that are discussed in this video, then please do comment and let us know. Let us see the first MCQ. Dash are the internal components in SWOT analysis, and the options are strength and opportunity, weakness and threats, threats and opportunity, and strength and weakness. So as you can remember, strength and weakness are the internal components, whereas opportunities and threats are the external components. So the correct option is option 4, strength and weakness. Let us see the next MCQ. What is the first function of management? And the options are evaluation, implementation, planning, and coordination. If we go by logic also, we will get the planning is the first function or the first step in the process of management. So the correct option is option 3, which is planning. MCQ next. What is the total number of principal stated by Henry Fayol? And the options are 18, 20, 14 and 10. In our previous videos, we have discussed that there are 14 principles given by Henry Fayol. So the correct option is option 3, 14. Dash of the following is called visionary management technique. This MCQ is also discussed in our video. So the correct option is total quality management, which is option first. Next MCQ. Dash not the importance of vocational education. So there are 4 options given. First option, increase the unemployment. Second option, provides skillful people to industry. Option third, to become economically independent. And last option is increase the productivity of the nation. Let us go by the options one by one and understand which is the correct one. First option is increase the unemployment. So no part of our education demands the increase of unemployment. So the correct option is increase the unemployment. Other 3 are the importance of vocational education. Next MCQ, a school must not dash. And the options are be in a good location, be in a safe area, must have free space, and last is be to a next highway. A school should be in a good location, we agree. It should be in a safe area. Nobody wants a school in unsafe area. Next is must have free space. Yes, school must have free space, but it should not be next to a highway. So the correct option is option 4, highway. Let us see next MCQ. What is known as the group-centered style of leadership? And the options are autocratic leadership. Second option, democratic leadership. Third option, free reign leadership. And fourth option is transactional. As you can remember, in autocratic, there is only one leader. In democratic, the opinion of the employees matter. Free reign means every employee has some contribution in some decision. So the correct option is option second, democratic leadership. Let us see the next MCQ. B.Ed, M.Ed colleges give, and the options are pre-service teacher education. Second option, in-service education. Third option, both option 1 and option 2. And fourth option is informal education. As we are all B.Ed students, we know before becoming teacher, we need some training. So the correct option is pre-service teacher, which is option first. Let us see next MCQ. The main staff development program is, And the options are refresher courses, workshops, feedback devices, and seminars. So we have two options here which are very confusing, which are workshops and seminars, and some may say refresher courses as well. So it's up to you which you want the correct answer should be. To my best of the knowledge, I think seminars and workshops are correct answers, but still we need to choose the one. So I would go with seminars. Moving towards next MCQ, learning by doing is the principle behind the, and the options are workshop, laboratory, library, museum. So learning by doing means a student is doing some activity and learning through the observations. So in laboratory what we do, we perform some experiments and we observe some things that are required, that are learning outcomes. So the correct option is laboratory. Moving towards next MCQ, what is vocational education related to? And the options are help, training, planning, and study. So, as you know, vocational education is nothing but training. Moving towards next MCQ, on which is the selection of vocational education dependent? The options are easy admission process, income generated business, students interest, knowledge, capacity and skills, and the last option is reputed business. So whatever field we choose, it never depends on whether the admission process is easy or difficult. And for this vocational education specially, we need to see what are the students interest, knowledge, capacities and skills. So the correct option is option third, students interest, knowledge, capacity and skills. Let us see next MCQ. If due to COVID pandemic, many students leave the school, what will this be called? And the options are wastage, stagnation, decay and stop. So what do you feel is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is wastage, because wastage literally means dropout. Okay. So next MCQ is according to whom, a comprehensive term which involves those new aspects in education along with general education. And the options are Kothari Commission, UNESCO, Mudaliar Commission and University Commission. So from the my point of view, the correct option is Kothari Commission. If you have any difference of opinion for this MCQ, please let us know in the comments. Let us see our next MCQ. When a student leaves school in the middle for some reason, his action is, and the options are absence, indiscipline, stagnation, dropout. And the correct option is dropout. This is same as wastage, because he is leaving the school and he is not repeating the classes in the school. Let us see next MCQ. Dash organization works for the professional development of a teacher. And the options are Headmaster Association, Teachers Association, Subject Teachers Association and non-government organization. And the correct option is Subject Teachers Association, because a teacher should be trained well in his or her particular subject. Next MCQ is Dash decides state educational policy. And the options are Education Minister, Educational Director, Education Secretary and President of SSC Board. Here the correct option is Education Minister. Let us see next MCQ. When was National Council of Education Research established and when it formally began to operate? And the options are 27 July 1961 and the date from when it began to operate is 1st September 1961. Next option is 27 July 1964 and the date of operation is 27 September 1961. Next option is 27 July 1961 to date of operation is 1st September 1962. Next Next option is 27 July 1961 and the date of operation is 27 September 1961. The correct option is option 1, 27 July 1961 and date of operation is 1st September 1961. Let us see our second last MCQ. Which letter denotes the presence of students in the attendance register? And the options are AA, PP, LL and OO. The correct option is PP because P stands for present. Let us see the last MCQ. Students' physical, mental, cultural, moral and social development is completed through. And the options are curriculum activity, co-curricular activity, syllabus and personal activity. So in co-curricular activity, we focus more on students' physical, mental, cultural, moral, social development. So the correct option is option second, co-curricular activity. So in this way, we have completed all the 20 MCQs given by the university for this course. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like and share our videos. I will be soon uploading the solutions of question bank given by university for the course 203, which is School and Inclusive School. Till then, keep studying, be focused. See you in the next video. Bye bye.